State-wise dance from Gujarat, Garba, Dandiya, Tippani, Lassa, Raslila, Jurthan, Panihari, Bhabai, Hudu. Important point: Garba is a popular folk dance from Gujarat and performed in all parts of India during Navaratri. Dandiya dance is popularly known as stick dance. The stick which is used in this dance is believed to the sword of goddess Durga. Bhabai dance is considered to be the dance of emotions. Tippani dance is performed on festivals and marriage. Haryana Jhumur, Phak dance, Dap, Ghumar, Dhamal, Majera, Gugga, Lur, Raslila Sang, Chatti dance, Khoria.